Hey guys, welcome to our new video. Today we have our 2004 Toyota Corolla and we are changing the strut on this car and the sway bar links. So to do this, just take out the tire. It's pretty easy job, you can do it at your home. We have two 19mm screw. We have to take them down. We have a 114mm screw over there. For the brake line, we have to open this one, and that one is our sway bar link. So that one is also damaged, as you can see. Yeah, the rubber is peeling, so it's already done. I think that one is 19mm or 18mm, I'm not sure, just give me a sec. So yeah, this one is 18mm. So, and we have three bolts over there. These are 12mm, which we have to open to take the strut out. So let's do it. So to open these bolts, you can do like this. Put a key over there. You can use your gun to open this up. Same thing you can do with this one. As you can see, they are already out. So next we're gonna remove this one. This one is 14mm. So that the brake line get free, we can pull it out. Don't pull both out, otherwise your rotor gonna fall. So it's better you can keep it one inside and get somebody to hold your strut so that you can open it from the top. So before opening from the top, we're gonna remove this one and we're gonna open these two. So this one from that side, and we have a one on the back side, that one. So when you're gonna open this one, either you can use Allen key in that and then open the bolt. If you have a gun, you can use vice grip. You can put this one at the back of it, make sure it's tight. Hello. Hi. So once you take this one out, we already opened this one, so line is free. We already take out the sway bar links. Now we're gonna open other screws. So this one is 14mm. We already loosened them. So like this, you can open this up. Make sure someone is holding from down so it doesn't fall, because it's gonna be pretty heavy, around 10 kgs, so it's better. So now we're gonna pull this bolt out so that we can take this one out. So that's our old strut and that's our new strut. So that one is pretty bad. You can see the rubber coming off. So let's put the new one. So to put new one, first you have to align this one. From here, you can see the holes. You have to align and then put screw on top of that one so that it can hold. So let me show you how to do it. So you can see it's free now. You already put screw on top of that. It's up to you guys. If you want to tighten them properly, you can just do it, right? Because there is nothing to do with them. So you can hand tight them, just hand tight them. And so put this one inside. You have to lift that thing a little bit up and then put a screw or bolt, just one bolt, so that it will hold and you can put the another one easily. So once you are done with putting bolts over there, you can torque it down to the specs it should be around 181 Newton meter of torque. So if you don't have a gun, you can use ratchet to torque it down. So you can hear the click, so they are properly torqued. So next step is to put sway bar link. As you can see, the old one, that one is damaged, so that's the new one. We got it. Make sure you measure the length, should be the same length. So yeah, so to put this down, that thing will go here, and for the other thing you have to turn your steering left or right so that it will fit in that. So once you are done with them, you can put sway bar link and you can use 19 mm to tie to your bolt, or you can use 19 mm socket with your gun and you can set it to 14 Newton meter torque as per the specs. So after that we're gonna use a ratchet to torque it down. So let's tighten them first. So that's how you can change your strut on your Toyota Corolla 2004, and you can put your line back over there. And yeah, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.